everybody, my name is Stephanie. I am an agent here with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and I'm excited to tell you the top 10 things that I think you should bring with you on your vacation to Disneyland for the 70th anniversary. As you can tell, I am not in Disneyland right now. I am back home in Walt Disney World, which is where I am based out of. But I had the amazing opportunity to fly across the country and go to Disneyland to experience the 70th, experience Disneyland for the first time. So I want to tell you what I think you should bring with you. I have a couple of things right here that I just always carry with me. These are kind of my perk essentials. So these first few I'm going to tell you are definitely, no matter what, these are what you should bring with you. This first one is going to be a reusable water bottle. You can use this throughout any of the parks, especially DCA and Disneyland. They have free water bottle refill stations all over the park, as well as you can get free water refills from quick service kiosks or quick service restaurants. They will have cups or stations where you can go and refill paper cups into the water bottle or your water bottle straight up. So that's my first one. My second item is going to be a bag. I usually keep little bags because I don't like carrying around big backpacks if I don't have to. I'm able to fit all my essentials in here. So like my credit debit cards, my cash, any photo IDs that I need, and then all my fun stuff that I keep in here, which I will show you guys. This is a life changer because this one I got off of Amazon. It's fairly cheap, but you're able to fit it inside the ride pouches for all of the rides pretty much that require you to take off your bag. So that was pretty cool. When I switched over from my backpacks, I made sure to grab one that was that size. Another big thing, my next item on my list is going to be a fan. Now that we're unpacking my bag, it's not crucial, but it's definitely something I'm using at both parks, and I did use when I was out in Disneyland. It's just a portable fan, so it closes up really nicely, and it just helps, especially when you get into those areas that don't have any sort of breeze. You're able to do a quick little breeze of your face, or just use it while you're waiting. And it's not loud, and it's easy to charge overnight. My next thing that I love to bring with me is a portable charger. I love to take photos and videos when I am at Disney World or Disneyland, so I used the heck out of this when I was over there. This one is one that works really well with my phone. It actually will magnetize to the back of it. But if you don't have one that is able to do that, or if this is not your cup of tea, there are ones that you can bring on your own from home. Or if you forgot it and you're like, oh my gosh, where can I get a portable charger in Disney? There's actually these things called fuel rods. They are rechargeable power banks that you can get inside the Disney parks. They actually are not only in Disney parks, they're in other sorts of parks and some airports all over the country. But you buy it once and you're able to exchange them forever. That's one of the coolest things about that program is you don't have to pay every time. But especially when you're here in Disney World, I know for me, sometimes this dies during the day and then I'm stuck and I can't recharge my phone. With the fuel rod, you're able to drop them back into their canister and it'll bring you out a fresh new one pretty much immediately. So that's a really cool program that they have here on property. My next item is going to be sun protection. I severely underestimated what I needed to bring with me for sun protection when I was out in California. This includes sunglasses, which these are my pair that I always bring with me, so they are very well loved. A hat, sunscreen is a big one. I did get pretty sunburnt when I was over there because I underestimated the California sun. I took the weather into account. I'm like, oh, it's not that hot. And then I got a little sunburnt. So sunscreen, sun protection, the whole 9 yards are what I would always bring with me. My sixth item will be a autograph book. You can get these pretty much anywhere, but if you want a Disney specific one, you could wait and buy them in the parks. They are super amazing to have at Disneyland because the character interactions are so different from Walt Disney World. When you were over there, for me, when I was over there, I saw so many characters so quickly that I would have never been able to see over here in Disneyland. So I didn't bring an autograph book because I didn't think that I would be able to experience as many character interactions as I did. And I do regret that. But next time I go, I'm for sure bringing my autograph book with me because a lot of them also have their special 70th get up on. And so if you get to take pictures with them and everything too, and the autograph book with it, it's something special there from the 70th. Speaking on character interactions and taking photos, a good phone or camera, whatever you like to take your videos and photos on, what is key. I drained my battery the days that I was over there because I was taking so many pictures and videos, and I did bring my good camera as well, and I even drained the battery on that and filled the storage because there was so much I wanted to experience and take pictures of to have the memories of forever. And I'm really glad I did that because now I have those with me for forever. And I'm so glad because I don't know if I'll be able to go back before the 70th is up, but even if I don't, I still have pictures from it. For my 8th item, I would suggest some souvenir money. I severely underestimated the amount of souvenir money I would want to bring with me when I went over. I only brought back a small little ornament. It does say the Disney 70th on it. And so I was super excited about that because I love my Christmas tree and Christmas. So being able to have something that kind of meshes with the both was really exciting for me. But they have so many different options. They have clothing, they have collectibles, they have drawings and prints, they have hats, even sunglasses, all themed after the 70th, and they have a couple of different varying designs. One of them is super bright and colorful with those pinks and those blues and those purples, and then they have some that are more neutral tones, so white and gold. And I just could not decide what I wanted to bring with me, so I didn't end up bringing any of that home with me because I also didn't have the space. And they also have collectible popcorn buckets right now for the 70th. If you're a popcorn bucket person, definitely budget in some money for those. Speaking on that, will be your favorite outfit or ears. I didn't bring any ears with me this time because I wanted to look into getting a new pair. I actually got a pair of Loki ears while I was over there. I don't have them with me right now, but they're super fun. I'll put a picture of them up. I really enjoyed them when I went over to DCA and Avengers Campus. I grabbed those for myself and I wore those when I was in DCA. But I loved being able to dress up based on the park I was going to. So for me, this was my second day in DCA. I love the Cure 6 in San Francisco, so I matched my outfit to match San Francisco Square, and I was able to experience that and really live it. My first day, I wore more of a Star Wars outfit because I love Star Wars and with Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland. So really dressing to the nines in what you want and what you think is going to be the most fun for your experience. There's all different color palettes, as I mentioned, for the 70th. I've seen a lot of people also just match the colors, and they're bright and colorful. So when they meet the characters too in their get-ups, they're bright and colorful, and they match the characters as well. My last thing that I'm going to say for my list of the 10 things to bring is not going to necessarily be a physical item, but I would bring a plan. I did not have very much of a plan going into the 70th. There was a lot of things that I missed. But you can work with your travel agent or search up online kind of the breakdowns of what's going on, what to experience, and everything else. There's definitely a lot of different things. My other video that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is going to be about the World of Color. That is also specific to the 70th. So I'm super excited to tell you about that. I was able to experience that. But there's a lot of different things going on between both parks too. Mainly everything is at Disneyland. There was a couple things at DCA too. But I wish I would have formulated a better plan before going so that I could really experience the 70th to its fullest. And just my bonus item is going to be you, your family, your friends, your smile. Just bring yourself and have fun and have the best time ever in the most magical place on earth. This is Stephanie from Marvelous Mouse Travels, and I'm happy to share with you these top 10 things. Have a good one.